get ready. I'm about to give you guys a car tour. So guys, this is the one that I got. I'm about to show you all a quick car tour. Yay. This is what our steering wheel looks like. You got your controls here. All black interior is what I went with. Yes. Super happy. You got the sunroof and stuff. I love it. I'm gonna go over it in detail. Give me like, well, in y'all time, give me like 3 seconds and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to show you the rest of the vehicle really quick. It's about to rain, so excuse me if I rush through. I'm trying to get in the house. But yeah, so driver door, just your basic, you know, move the mirror, let the windows down, all that type of stuff. Here's your lights. That's what the dash looks like when the car isn't on. I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like at night. As far as my menu, which is down here, you can control it down here, which I prefer, so you don't get fingerprints on your screen and stuff. But yeah, it just has basic things. It has the weather, the navigation, your vehicle notifications. It's supposed to be an app that you download for the vehicle. I haven't gotten to that yet, so I haven't did that yet. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So this is the controls for the roof. For the sunroof. It's about to rain, as you can see. We got some controls back here, some compartments, glove compartment, all that. There's a little compartment over here. This is where I keep my garage door opener, but that's actually a great space for something else, you know, if you know what I mean. Fancy little menu. I know this comes in metal, or you can get the little wood grain. I got the wood grain. This is your media, menu, map, navigation, contacts, all that. You can put it in sport or whatever. It is push to start. It has heated seats, and it also has seat cooling as well, so I thought that was pretty cool. And the steering wheel is heated as well. It's a great car. I love it. I'm familiar with BMWs because I had the BMW 328i. Well, I still have it because I didn't do a trade-in. I kept it. They're great cars. They last a long time. So if you're looking for a luxury vehicle and you're debating, BMW is a car that's actually going to freaking last. I think one of the coolest parts about the car is if the key is somewhere near you, you don't have to have the key to unlock it. You just put your hand up to the door and it'll unlock. So that's cool. And for safety reasons, it'll only unlock the driver door. In the trunk, it came this little manual for the car. I also got this cool little first aid kit. And then it has this little guard thing for your truck. I guess so stuff doesn't move around. Guys, this is the inside look on what the car looks like at night. Everything pretty much just lights up orange. It's not doing it any justice right now, but it's very pretty at night. Like, the black is very black and the neon lights are very neon. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, comment, rate, subscribe. Yeah, that's all. In the trunk, it came this little manual for the car. I also got this cool little first aid kit. And then it has this little guard thing for your truck. I guess so stuff doesn't move around.